McFadden Library presents Understanding Primary and Secondary Sources. Research assignments, especially in history, often call for the use of both primary and secondary sources. A primary source is a document or object, either physical or digital, which provides first-hand testimony or direct evidence concerning a topic under investigation. Primary sources can be written or created at the time, like the U.S. Constitution, like Anne Frank's Diary of a Young Girl, or the speeches of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. They can also be video or film footage like that of the Hindenburg disaster. They can also be spoken and transcribed later, such as the oral histories in Our Hearts Fell to the Ground. A secondary source interprets and analyzes primary sources. Such materials are one or more steps removed from the event. Secondary sources may include quotes or other information from primary sources. Some may even include complete primary sources. Some sources can be either primary or secondary depending upon your topic. For example, Team of Rivals by Doris Kearns Goodwin is a secondary source for a paper about how President Lincoln managed his cabinet, and a primary source if the paper is about how Goodwin portrays Lincoln. Primary and secondary sources are characterized by their content and your purpose, regardless of whether they are available as a manuscript, on microfilm or microfiche, in a digital or book format. One last point. Primary sources are not the same thing as primary research. Primary research refers to reports of scientific findings done by the authors of the report. For more information, contact the reference department.